What's your fucking problem? That's like you might get quick down enough for him to go round the back. Oh, stop it.
Okay, my life flashed in front of my eyes. Again, I thought the road is going straight, but it didn't go straight. Look at this shit, oh fuck. Almost went in the rocks, man. Totalka, brate, pa še jaz bi bil totalka.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. It's on camera! What? Pull over! What? You almost hit me! Huh? I got it on camera! Okay. Okay, pull over! I can't pull over. Why? I got your license plate! I got your license plate!
Hey! Can we move out of this? Screens blowing up, fans calling my name. But real life's heavy, this money ain't a game. Used to roll with fools, gas station shady nights. Robbed and hustled, lost in the dark fights. Found a way out, now I'm chasing the light. But snakes surround me, I see them in plain sight.
Hey, bro!
What? Couldn't hear your music. Yeah, you just you seen me doing burnouts. Why would you park right there? It's all recorded, dude. You see me doing burnouts. Why would you come to the circle?
Burnout when I was coming up, you just...
I was already doing a burnout.
Dude, you stopped my...
No shit. You saw me doing a burnout. Spot. What do you want me to do? You're the one that was in the same place. What a retard. Dumbass. I'm the dumbass. You're the one in the way. Right.
kidding me? Like f***ing flashing headlight, full high-vis gear, and you pull out in front of me? Are you f***ing kidding?
So
How could you not see this?
I couldn't see. I'm coming.
You're right there. I'm looking at you dead in the face. How do you not see?
I'm coming from there. I understand it was a very. I'm sorry. I'm even apologizing. I'm sorry. I have 2 kids. I'm just crossing.
I have 1 kidney because of somebody like you. Because somebody pulled out in front of me and wrecked me 7 years ago.
I'm sorry about that.
I'm freaked out right now, right? I just need a minute.
Yeah.
It's a miracle I didn't f***ing hit you.
Stop now, come back. I love you.
Não pode fazer aquilo. Não pode fazer aquilo, lá. Tem 2 vias. És obrigado a virar à direita. Então. Calma. Calma. Eu estou a dizer para falares com calma. Então. Calma. Baixa só o vidro.
Просто, короче, давай.
Ой, ты нас
Да не надо на спорте, подожди, я еще не готова. Блин, такой прикольный.
Только сразу не топи.
Jake the snake? What? Jake the snake? Yeah. Yeah. Is he screaming at me?
Do what?
Is he screaming at me?
Yeah, he's getting pissed.
Alright, I'm gonna dip.
Hey man, don't ride around buses. I got cameras all on these buses. And if they look at that, you're gonna get in trouble.
Yes, sir.
That camera in the back is what's catching you.
almost died. Stay on this side of the road, my friend. Oh, no. Ja pizda, no. Kretencino jedna. Debil, man. Stay on this side of the road, my friend. Kretencino jedna.
Oh! Okay? Hey. You okay? You okay? Yeah, she's okay. You're okay. That was scary, I know. I saw it. Okay. Here, let's get up. You okay? Okay, you got a little scratch on your back. Nothing crazy. Take a seat. Take a seat. You're good.
Stop my GoPro.
That was a crazy one, Julie.
I know.
Okay, ready? Don't look. Look that way. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That didn't hurt.
Yeah, that one's okay. Yeah, you got a little cut.
I'm just like confused because I ended up down here, but that was on top of me for a sec.
I know.
I'm confused.
You crawled out.
Oh.
I watched you crawl out. I got the whole thing. Okay.
I believe I can fly. I believe.
Dio porco.
Ho visto solo te volare, cosa è successo?
Lo stavo girando qui ma non c'ho la freccia.
Cazzo, ho visto la staccatona, ho visto. Minchia, meno male non ho beccato altre macchine.
Ce l'abbiamo questo.
Fantastico, cazzo. Raga, il barber che lo pubblichiamo nella pagina. Meno male non è caduto anche lui, cazzo.
Tu sei cercato roba qua?
That close, dude. You. You need to watch out where you're going. You need to watch your mirrors. You were that, yo, if you did, then you wouldn't have cut me off like that. You understand me?
I didn't
You were 5 inches from cutting me off and killing me, mother. Watch your shit. Whew.